contains air brake circuit breaker and miniature circuit breaker. What is a circuit breaker? A circuit breaker is an equipment that breaks a circuit either manually or automatically under all conditions at no load, full load or short circuit. That means circuit breaker can break the circuit manually when we want the circuit breaker for or line for maintenance. Automatically means when short circuit occurs, it must be automatically break, and load maybe no load to full load, any load is present on that breaker or line. Hence circuit breaker breaks circuit either manually or automatically. Now air brake circuit breaker construction. There are two sets of contacts, main contacts and arcing contacts. Main contacts conduct the current in closed position of the breaker. Now this breaker is in closed position, current entering from this point and goes out of breaker from this point. These are two leads of that breaker. Main contacts conduct the current in closed position of the breaker. These main contacts have low contact resistance and silver plated, and these are arcing contacts are hard heat resistant, usually of copper alloy, because these arcing contacts are used when relay breaks this, gives this signal to the circuit breaker and contacts are open. At that time arc is produced, and to resist that arc we use a copper alloy arcing contacts. Now we see the operation of the air brake circuit breaker. As soon as the fault occurs, the trip circuit gives command to circuit breaker contacts to open. When command gets to circuit breaker, these two contacts, arcing contacts, are open. While opening the contacts, the main contact dislodged first. This main contact dislodged first and the arcing contact dislodged later. The current is shifted to the arcing contacts. When this path is open, the total current shifted to these arcing contacts, and the path is like that. The arcing contacts dislodge later and an arc is struck between them. This is arc. The arc core is conducting path of plasma. The surrounding medium contains ionized air, and this arc is forced upwards by the electromagnetic force of these two arc runners and thermal action also. This arc travel along the arcing horns, means this path get elongated and finally is as much that, and this arc is splitted in these arc splitters, and thus finally the arc is splitted, lengthened and cooled and extinguished. Now we will see the miniature circuit breaker or MCB. It is used to provide protection against overloads and short circuits. It consists of inbuilt thermal bimetal element and electromagnetic coil. See, this is bimetal element and this is electromagnetic coil. The bimetal heats up and bends in response to overcurrent conditions to unlatch a spring operated mechanism to open the contacts. For that we will see the next slide. In this bimetal, this is straight, this is bent, and this operation opens the contact. Again for the slide. The bimetal heats up and bends in response to overcurrent conditions to unlatch a spring-operated mechanism to open the contacts. Under short circuit condition, the heavy current passing through this magnetic coil produces sufficient pull to separate the contacts, thus provide protection against short circuit. This coil produces sufficient magnetic pull because of magnetic force, and this disturbs the contacts, and thus contacts are opened. This latch is bent by this electromagnetic force. This operation is clearly seen in this figure. This is original position of the MCB, and when if overload occurs, bimetal element bends and it unlatches. This latch is tilted, and thus these contacts are get opened. Also, due to short circuit condition, if this electromagnetic coil pulls this latch, again this latch is tilted and these contacts are open. Thus, in both the cases, current, overload or short circuit, contacts of MCB gets open. Thus, the MCB protects any circuit or component against overload or overcurrent and short circuit, but it is not used for earth fault protection. Thus, now whether MCB is operated for earth fault, give reason. Answer: MCB may or may not operate on earth fault. Here is the explanation. It is protective device that is made of to break the circuit in case of overload or short circuit for overload protection. It has bimetallic strip which heats up during overload. The heating causes uneven expansion of bimetals, leading to bending of the strip. This bending movement is used to release the spring to trip or open the circuit. For short circuit protection, an electromagnet is used which produces strong magnetic field during short circuit condition and attracts the magnetic plunger. The movement of plunger is used to release the spring to trip or open the circuit. The MCB will work only in case when the current through it exceeds its rating, that is a 5 ampere. MCB will trip the circuit when current is greater than 5 ampere passes through it. Consider the above circuit in which the current flowing through MCB is sum of load current and fault current. If fault path resistance is less, the current flowing through the MCB may exceed the limit, that is rated value of 5 ampere, and the MCB will trip. Consider a second case when the earth fault is through highly resistive path. So the fault current may be very less and total current flowing through MCB will be within the limit. Hence, even under earth fault condition, the MCB will not